Am I the only one that didn't know a mouse could run this fast? Exposing the epic food quest of a lifetime. Meet Max, the cheekiest mouse in town. And here come the cats, Fluffy, Whiskers and Mr. Paws. They're all craving the same plate of cheesy goodness. But there's a catch. The food is only enough for one. Watch as Max dodges, jumps and outsmarts the cats at every turn. Fluffy gets tangled in yarn, Whiskers takes a tumble and Mr. Paws, well, let's just say he's better at napping than chasing. Who will win this epic food quest? Stay tuned and may the best critter win.